Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Neha. Need to turn on the video. Yes, only Neha has joined today. No one else came. One second. Right. So, Neha will start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let's move to the chapter. Did you practice the questions that we had done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Were you able to do any difficulty in that?
No, ma'am. I
Oh,
understand.
right. So, in our last class, we had done this one, no? Yes, draw any line segment, making a copy of the line segment without measuring, and then you have to make a twice of the line segment without measuring, right? With the compass and a ruler. Okay, so today we'll be doing how to construct perpendiculars. Okay, how to construct perpendicular. In your book, it's shown with set square also. It is shown with compass also. But the one which we do with compass is very frequently asked in the papers. Okay, and the most used method is the compass only.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Draw any line segment AB. Mark any point M on it. Okay, so just try to understand the question first. Draw any line segment AB. Now this is line segment AB. Okay, mark a point M on it. Okay, we mark the point M on it. Through M, draw a perpendicular to AB. To line segment from, now it's saying from M we have to make a perpendicular. What is perpendicular?
Two lines intersecting at a point and they form right angles.
Very good. Now, do you have a blank paper with you?
Ma'am, without any lines.
Do you have any blank paper with you? Any, with lines only. It's
Yes,
okay
ma'am.
with lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Do you have?
Yes, ma'am, I do. Ma'am, I have the paper.
Hello?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neha. The connection was disconnected. Okay, see, Neha. I'm asking if you have a paper with you, just take a paper and fold it. Okay, make two folds on it. First, fold it vertically. Okay, then fold it again, making two folds. So what do you observe in that? See, when you are folding the paper, what will you observe? Suppose this is the paper. When you make a one fold, you will get your fold like this. Is it? Fold line. Then when you fold it again, you will get like this. Yes. So what do you observe? That these two lines are perpendicular, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what I am trying to say. You have to make a perpendicular on the line M. Now first you construct line AB. Then take a point M on it. Now open your compass to the measurement more than MB. More than MB. Okay. Now more than MB means keep your pointer at B. Open the compass to more than MB and make an arc here. Right? Make an arc up also and down also, below the line also. Right? And with the same compass measurement, keep your pointer at A and cut these arcs like this. Okay, make arcs from this side also, keeping the pointer at B, A. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
First, open the compass to more than NB. Okay, more than the length of NB. And then mark an arc above the line also, below the line also. Then with the same measurement, don't move the compass measurement. Keep your pointer at A and mark the arcs like this. Okay, so that the two arcs intersect each other. Now you have this point here, right? So whatever points you will get, that point will pass through this. Okay, if I have to make it nicely here, let me show you clearly. Okay, so that means once you make an arc like this here, then you make arc like this here. So what will you observe that when you join this point M and this point here, you will see that the line that you are getting here is a perpendicular line. Okay, you can name this line anything, P, N. Got it, Neha?
Ma'am, can you explain it again? I couldn't get it.
I'll explain you. Let me explain you on the other page. Okay. Okay, see here. This is the question. It's saying first you construct a line segment AB. Okay. Done. Make a line segment. Make it in your notebook of any length.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now take a point M on it. Any point M on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now open your compass to more than MB. Keep your compass pointer here and your pencil should exceed more than MB. Open your compass to more than MB. Done?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Keep your pointer at B. Keep the compass pointer at B.
Yes, ma'am.
Open the compass to more than MB. Okay. And mark an arc up here. Mark one arc below the line. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Now you made arcs keeping the center as B. These two arcs. Now, with the same compass measurement. Now don't move the compass measurement. With the center at B, make another arc like this.
Ma'am,
Append-
the pointer at A.
Yes, with the pointer at A.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have given.
Okay. Okay. So you have got this. Okay. You made these two arcs.
Yes, ma'am.
Now join these points. This point with point M like this with the scale and this also. All these points will fall in one line, right? Yes, done, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you observe this, this is the perpendicular. Now you can even measure with your protector. Keep your protector at M, the center point of the protector at M, and just see whether it is 90 degree or not.
It is.
It is 90 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So now you'll write your steps of construction. This was question number 1. Okay, now write the steps. What did you do first? First you made a
First we drew a line segment of AB.
yes, we made line segment AB. So write lines AB with a bar. Okay. Line segment AB of any length. Then after that, you mark the point M on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after marking the point, now keep your pointer at B. Okay, keeping pointer at B and measuring distance greater than MB. Keeping pointer at B and measuring distance greater than MB. Keeping pointer at B and measuring distance greater than MB. Mark arcs above and below the line. Mark arcs above and below the line. Okay, mark arcs above and below the line. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, again, in the next step, keeping compass pointer at A and with the same measurement, keeping pointer at A and with the same measurement, mark arcs above and below the line. Keeping pointer at A and the same measurement, mark arcs above and below the line, the same thing. Okay. Above and below the line, then you write, put comma, so that the arcs cut each other. Okay, so that the arcs cut each other. The two arcs cut each other. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now mark this point as P. Mark the new points as P and Q. Mark the new points as P and Q. Mark the points P and Q. Join P and Q. Join P and Q. Okay? Join
Yes.
P and Q. Okay? Hence, now last line. Hence, P line segment PQ is the required perpendicular. Is the required perpendicular. required perpendicular on line segment AB. Okay, hence PQ is the required perpendicular on line segment AB. Done?
Ma'am, just a done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so I hope you have understood the first question. How do you construct a perpendicular? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is, you constructed a perpendicular when this point M was given to you. In the question, it was said that mark a point M on the line AB. Yes, it was given in the question. So you had this point on the line and so you constructed. Now, how is it when you construct, when you have to construct a perpendicular when when the point is not on the line, when the point is somewhere outside the line? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So that also we'll learn. Now you just constructed the line when you had this center point on the line. So now you will be looking at the other part of it. Okay, let's see. Next question is, yes, good Neha, very nice. That's neat and clean. Very good.
Thank you.
Good, better. Construction should always be neat and clean, okay? And you should always use sharpened pencil for that. Oh, where is the question gone? Here. Okay. Now see, draw any line segment PQ, take any point R on it. To R, draw a perpendicular to PQ. Use ruler and set square. Okay, now this question is talking about the same thing, the same kind of perpendicular we have to make, but now we have to use a set square. In this
Point
case,
R is not on the line. Point R is not on the line this time.
hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see beta. Okay, I'm saying the set square question, we'll do it afterwards because this set square method is rarely used, okay? Normally we use compass only for making these type of constructions. And in future also, in further exercises also, you will be using compass only. Okay.
Mhm.
Now let's see question number 3. But before that, I want to tell you how can you make a perpendicular when you don't have a point on the line. So for that, I'll show you now. Okay, that is not a question from this exercise, but I'm showing you. Now see, when you don't have a point on the line, now suppose this is a line AB and you have a point somewhere here. Okay, when the point M is out of the line, right? So in that case, how will you do? Now you first construct a line AB. Okay, Neha, do it in your notebook. As I'm saying, you do it. Make a line AB of any length and take any point M outside it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now take your compass, keep your compass pointer at M. Okay. and open the compass so that you can make an arc like this on AB. Open your compass so that you can make an arc like this on AB, so that it should cut this AB at 2 points. Okay? Right?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one second. Okay, now open your compass. Open your compass like this as we did, no? Right? Yes. Now see this distance PM. Just estimate it. Open the compass to more than half of this line PQ. Okay. Open the compass to more than half of this line. So just with the estimate, you can see half will be somewhere here. So you have to make it, open it more than half. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Now take points above. Take points, mark points above and below the line like this. Mark points above and below the line. Mark points above and below the line.
Ma'am, can you repeat from half, more than half of the measurement?
Okay, 1 second. Okay, now see, what I told you, you made this PQ arc.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second, let me just erase this. You made this PQ arc, right? Now, whatever measurement you have on this compass, okay, whatever, don't move the measurement. Keep your compass pointer at P, Q and mark an arc. Keep the pointer at Q and mark an arc above and below the line. Okay? Or you can just mark it below the line because above you have this point. So mark the point, mark the arc below the line. Done? Done?
Just a minute.
You don't have to move the compass measurement, okay?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have made an arc here. Now keeping P as a pointer at P, make an arc here so that these two arcs are intersected. With the pointer at P, with the same compass measurement, pointer at P, make an arc like this. And you can name this point as N. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Done, beta?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now join the point M and N. Join the point M and N. Okay? And check with your protector that whether it is 90 degrees or not. Join MN. Now check with the protector.
Yes, ma'am. It's 90 degrees.
90 degree now. So you have constructed a perpendicular. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
when the point was outside the line, right? So what did you do first? You made this line segment AB, right? and then you took a point M outside the line. Then you opened your compass and made an arc, a big arc, so that this arc is cutting the line segment AB at two different points, okay?
Okay.
Right? And we mark them as E and here. Then with the same compass measurement, okay, you don't have to move the compass. With the same compass measurement, keeping pointer at Q, make an arc below the line. Okay, and with the same compass measurement, keeping pointer at P, make another arc cutting the previously made arc. Okay, and mark this new point as N. Then join MN, the two lines, the 2 points MN, right? And you get your required perpendicular.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please write down the steps of construction. So you can write like this: line segment MN is perpendicular to line segment AB. Please write the steps. Will you be able to write now?
Yes, ma'am.
Brilliant. This was not a question from the exercise. This is, I have just shown you when you have a point outside the line.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can just mark it as a star because you don't give it any number. Okay. Done?
Still writing.
Okay, after this, we'll do question number 3 of the exercise. Your Sunday test is also live now. Okay, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
This time it is objective test on symmetry.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, again the question has. Okay. Now see this question, question number 3. Please read question number 3, Neha.
Yes, ma'am. Draw a line L and a point X on it. Through X, draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L.
Okay, so draw a line L and a point X on it. So we'll just try with the rough figure. Okay, this is a line L with a point X on it. Okay, this is just a rough figure. Through X, draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L. So that means here we have to make a perpendicular line, right? Okay, now draw a perpendicular to XY at Y. Now this is the point Y here. Now we have to draw a perpendicular to XY. So we have to make another perpendicular. If I extend this line, we have to make another perpendicular here on Y. Right? You understood, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
This is another perpendicular. That means this is one perpendicular here, this is another perpendicular. So let's see how do we do that. So now let's move to a working page here. Okay. See now, make first you make a line. What line? Okay, make a line segment AB of any length, right? And mark a point X on it. Mark a point X on it.
Yes, ma'am, but they told us to do a line of L.
L, never mind. We are taking a line segment. You can extend this line like this, call it L.
Yes.
We have taken a line segment AB out of it. Right?
Yes.
Okay, now take a point X on it. Now we have to make a perpendicular on it. Now, how did we make a perpendicular? See, we kept our pointer at B. We will keep our pointer at B and open the compass to more than distance XB. Right? We will open the compass distance more than XB. Now we want to draw a perpendicular. So we won't mark the point, this below. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll make just one arc above here. We don't need the below one. Okay. Now, keeping with this, keeping the compass adjustment same, and your pointer at A, mark this arc, mark another arc, so that both the arcs cut each other. And name this point as Y. Name the point as Y. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, now join XY. Join XY and extend it further. Okay. Join XY and we extended it further so that we want to make another perpendicular on it. No? Join XY. Join XY and extend it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now XY point is here. Right, we have got the point Y. Now, again, what will you do? We want to make another perpendicular on XY now. Now, this vertical line is the XY, right? Now, what we will do with your pointer at Y, make a semicircle on this line. Okay, a small semicircle on this line with any compass measurement. Okay, make a small semicircle with the center at Y. Then, with any small compass measurement, okay, just make a small semicircle.
And ma'am.
Then, okay, now name these points as, you can name it as C and D. Okay, name the points C and D. Now, keep your pointer at B. Now, again, you have to construct a perpendicular. So, again, following the same steps, keeping your pointer at B and opening the compass to more than distance dy. Open your compass to more than distance dy and make an arc here. Okay. Open your compass to more than distance dy. Distance greater than dy. Okay. Your distance should be greater than dy. Okay. Open the compass to more than distance dy. Then
Yes, ma'am.
you made this arc.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now with the same compass measurement, keep your pointer at C and make another arc. Make another arc like this so that both the arcs are cutting each other. Compass measurement has to be kept same. Then
Just a minute.
then
Done, ma'am. Now, what should we mark the point as? Now, what should we mark the point as?
yes, Neha, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Join now. We have taken the new point as Z. Okay. Join YZ. Okay. And now you can see YZ is another perpendicular on XY. Right? You can again measure with your protector whether it's 90 degree or not.
Yes, ma'am, it's 90 degrees.
So this is what was asked in the question, right? So can you write the steps of construction now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did we do first? We made a line L out of which we took a line segment AB. We marked the point X on it. See, class time is over. I'm just telling you the points so that you can write the points, okay? Then we marked the point X on it. And then from X, we took the compass measurement to more than XB and marked the point above the line, right?
Yes,
With
ma'am.
the same measurement, keeping pointer at A, we marked another arc cutting the previous arc, right? Then this new point of intersection is named as Z, or sorry, Y, okay? Then we joined X and Y, okay? Then after that, with the center at Y, we made a small semicircle on XY, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we name these two points as C and D. And then we took the compass measurement more than YD. We mark the point here, right? Compass measurement more than YD. We marked an arc. And with the same compass measurement, keeping pointer at C, we marked another arc, right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this point of intersection is now named as Z. Then we join YZ. Okay. And hence this is a next perpendicular, the second perpendicular. First you made one perpendicular on AB, then you made another perpendicular on XY. Okay. So this is what was asked in the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you write the steps now?
Yes, ma'am, I like this.
Okay. Continue writing the steps. The class time is over. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, beta. See you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye bye. You too.